Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about how are we going to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Welcome to chapter 4 of your business research. Assuming that you are done floating your survey questionnaire and this is your actual result or your actual survey result. This process is just the same of what you have done previously during the pilot testing, the reliability and the validity of your study of your instrument, right? So today we are going to tally the result according to their category, assuming that you have two dependent variables, the psychological and the sociological. You are going to it is up to you if how are you going to identify the questions under that specific variable. I am going to fill the columns with colors in order for me not to be confused. Okay, so we are going to write mean and the ST below, right? So we are going to look for the mean and the standard deviation per question first. Now, let us use the formula sum open parentheses. Just highlight all the answers under question number 1, close parentheses, divide it into the total number of respondents, that is 31. So that's it. That is your mean result for question number 1. Now we are going to drag it until the last item of your questionnaire or the last item question, right? So now we are going to look for the standard deviation. Let us going to use the formula STDEV, open parentheses, highlight again the answers under question number 1, close parentheses, enter. And then drag it up to the last item. As you can see, this is the mean and the standard deviation. But in order for us to identify that this result is under the dependent variable psychological, let us going to fill the columns with color yellow and this column color blue, right? So this one, it is up to you what color you are going to use. Mhm. Now, once you are done with the per question, we are going to find the average mean and the average standard deviation. So the overall, we are going to have the overall, right? So we are going to write mean and ST again and use the sum open parentheses and then divide it into how many questions under the psychological variable 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 10 questions, enter. So the overall mean under the psychological is 3.2. Now let us just drag it down because they have the same formula. And do not forget to change the format cell into number to decimal places and you're done. So this is your average mean and standard deviation under psychological And when we are going to talk about the other variable, same formula applies. Equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, highlight this one, divide it. How many questions under the psychological variable? 10, enter. And then again, do not forget to drag down. Then the format cell into number, 2 decimal places. Okay, and you are done. Right? So once you're done, do not forget to have a table presentation for your chapter 4. Right? Do not forget to follow and read the given sample for chapter 4. And this is going to be your um your well, this is going to be the basis of your chapter 4. Okay? And I think that's it. Once you are done with this, you can now smoothly continue your chapter 4. If you have any question, do not forget to beat me up through Messenger, through our GC, and through text. I think that's it. So have a good day. Bye.